created. So here you update it, not actually add. You just save. Go to the save and save. So now this tool is saved. Now again this network is there. That is for that network. So what network is there? 100.
सेव कहाँ
So
पर?
what is network also we need to create one another.
सिर्फ 10 डालना
So
है
this is different network.
ये पूरा डालेगा
So
190 से नीचे 200 हाँ
So for that we give one new name.
अच्छा ये
So here
100
in place of server
नंबर की यूजर
server
100
2 just write it here server 2 1. Here you write server 2 1. Okay. And default 100 dot 168 dot 100 so 100 dot 10. So for this I need to list
नाउ
out.
इट चेंजेस
And how many IPs suppose this time I have only 50 IPs. So keep it here 50. And now this is a new pool you have created. You have created new name. Server 2 1. So here you just add it. Click on the add. So
Now we add it. पूल नेम ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट्स ओके पूल नेम चेंज करना होगा दूसरी को 1 किया सर ने
ये 100.1 किया
ओके इसको भी हम चेंज करेंगे 100.1
ये 100 किया
ये 100 किया वो 10 और इसको किया 50
और ये वाला
और फिर इसको हमने कर दिया ऐड और ये ऑटोमेटिकली ऐड हो गया बिफोर स्विचिंग ऑन वी नीड टू मेक श्योर कि आवर सर्विस इज ऑन मेक श्योर बिफोर क्लोजिंग इट इज ऑलवेज ऑन नाउ आई क्लोज इट
and go to the desktop, go to IP configuration and check and not select IP. Just click on the DHCP server.
ओके गाइस नाउ विल चेक कि क्या हमने जो किया वो सही है या पहले मैं इंश्योर करना है कि हमारे इसमें सब में डीएनएस सेम होना चाहिए डीएनएस में ऊपर भी सेम होगा नीचे भी सेम होगा तो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी हैव टू मेक श्योर ये तो डिफ़ॉल्टली सब में सेम होगा डीएनएस सर्वर तीनों सर्वर्स में सेम एंड सबनेट मास्क तो ऑटोमेटिकली आता है सिर्फ चेक अगर हमारे सब सही हुए हैं हम इस पे जाएंगे वी विल डबल क्लिक डेस्कटॉप आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन डीएचसीपी और हमको दिख रहा है हमारा ऑटोमेटिकली वो लिख के आ रहा है
कुछ भी हो सकता है
हाँ ये कुछ भी हो सकता है ये कुछ भी हो सकता है क्योंकि ये अब डेस्कटॉप का आईपी एड्रेस है हम थोड़ा ना कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं लेकिन हमारा डिफ़ॉल्ट गेट और डीएनएस सर्वर वही है मतलब हमने सही कनेक्ट किया सिर्फ डीएचसीपी के सर्विस पे जाके हमको वो टेक्स्ट लाना है तो यू सर्च द पेन ऑल्सो सर इज इरिटेटेड एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटेड out now the next task is router configuration switch is auto configured whereas router has to be configured each time
Click on the router and go to the CLI mode. Okay, again I'm just closing it. I'm
Okay.
closing it. Here, click on this router and go to the CLI mode. Okay. Click on the CLI mode. And here, typing no.
and
Yes. No.
type no
Just come here. Good.
फिर एंटर नो के बाद एंटर किया
router को delete कर.
two times enter now we'll write some commands first command is enable
So enable command means we will enter the previous code. Okay. Right now we are not in the previous code. In this code you can only check the district configuration. You can't make any changes manually. It will not give permission. If you want to permission
Okay,
to
अच्छा तुम्हारे को hash आया ना?
change the configuration, then you need to enter the additional yes.
Router hash means we are now in a privileged mode. So to show the port number over here, we'll go to options, preferences, always show port number.
If it is not showing the GRB container of this number, so click on this one. Go to the option, then preferences, and click this always show
So
port
this will always add the port number. Then
So now close it.
we'll close it.
Once the ID is clicked,
Lots of port numbers are there.
ports are there.
So again we'll go over here.
So two port, this is GRB. So first I will configure this one, and then I will go for this one.
So first we'll configure this one.
IP address or default data address I will give router address is 100.1. Okay. So here this port I will give IP address 100.1. So for that, first of all, we need to go in the configuration mode. So there is a command from CONF, conf t. This is not complete command. Conf t full form is configuration terminal. Okay.
So this is the command which means configuration terminal.
Full command will come in next line. Okay. After writing this, just press the tab button. So automatically full command you can see. Configuration terminal. So conf t. So suppose you want to type conf t and tab. So this is the
Now we
full
click
command.
on tab.
Configuration terminal.
Tab, and we get the full.
So now see one config mode came. So now we are in the configuration mode. This is configuration mode.
Now we're in configuration mode.
Okay. So now in configuration mode only we can configure anything. Okay, in router switch if you want to configure. So first of all we need to enter in the configuration mode, and in configuration mode only we can configure.
Now here we'll type INT, which means
This interface.
interface.
INT is interface. Okay. Here INT means interface. Yes. Not complete command.
Now we'll tap interface and interface G0/0/0.
GIG, no need to type complete GIG, only G0/0/0. For you, if it is 20, then type only 20.
Since for us only we have 2 zeros over here, so we just type 2
Then the
zeros.
interface number, you just type it.
G0/0. Then we'll enter.
Interface
So see,
mode came. So we are now in the config interface command. Okay, now next is the IP address. We assign IP address. IP.
now next we are assigning IP address.
One IP address I will give here
IP
.168.168.1. And after that, submit mark 255.255.255.0. So this is the command. Okay. This command you need to enter for assigning the IP to that port.
This is the command that we use to assign the IP to that particular port.
And enter.
8.0.
And after that, the last command is one more command is there. That is the last command. And last command is
Last command is
full form of no SSD. If you tap this press tab. So this is the command.
no shutdown.
So no shutdown means you are instructing the router to switch on the port. Okay, and because the port is not active, so we are making the port active. So
By this we are making the port active.
last command no shutdown. Means that port should be no shutdown. No shutdown. It will be on. And enter. So when you enter, so if you see check this just note check in here. This is red.
As soon as we clicked on it, it became from red to green.
Automatically we go to the green. Now see, this link is up. So this link is up, change, and now it is up. And if you check that link, now see this link is blinking and it will go to the green. Okay. So that means that link is now active.
And we can see there is a little blink also.
Configuration is done. Now we go for the next configuration.
Now we'll go to the next configuration. It is still red, so we will change this also to green.
Save command, all three commands we have
All three commands we will follow in the exact same manner.
So now on the interface, INT G0/0/1. You just check your interface name. This one, see, only the 0/0/1. That's why I put
So now we will give
value is different.
interface. What is
0/0 दिया ये वाला दिया
yeah?
Now we are in that code. And again, IP address to IP
Okay. हम पूरा and we'll copy the same command. Should oh shit, हमने कोई गड़बड़ कर ली guys. So now for this one we've added this address that is 200. ये पे ये change करना, rest remains the same and no message. And now this is also turned green. और फिर हमको helper कुछ add करना था. So guys एक और command है उसके बाद, that is IP help, and then we've given this IP helper dash address 192.168.200.2. So now we have used the interface G0/0 again, so that we can add the IP helper command to both the ports. Only then it will work. Okay, so guys, now if you have to check if this is working or not, we'll just click on the PC और हम उसके डेस्कटॉप पे जाके IP पे जाके DHCP पे देखेंगे कि क्या वो काम कर रहा है और वो काम it's working guys, it's working.
चल
Yeah.
अरे वेट ऐसे हो बकवास कुछ भी
हाँ कुछ भी होगा.
वेट मेरे को नहीं रॉन्ग है
Failed. Oh. But we did everything correct from our end. अब हम क्या करें? Guys, we did absolutely correct because जब हमने दूसरी बार क्लिक किया तो वो चल गया. It was like waiting for some time. So now we'll just send a message. Okay, before sending a message, we're like DHCP का हमारा सारा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो गया. सिमिलरली DNS और HTTP का भी वैसे कर सकते हैं. सर ने मैसेज किसको भेजा? एक से दूसरे को भेजा. सो वी जस्ट ट्राई लाइक विल टेक अ मैसेज और ये हमने उसका पेरेंट हाँ और हमने इसको यहाँ सेंड करना है. सो जब मैं सिमुलेशन
किसी भी ये करनी है क्या
हाँ आई गेस ओके. सो मैसेज जा रहा है और ओ या इट इज़ वर्किंग. इज़ इट वर्किंग? यस गाइस, हमारा कनेक्शन बिल्कुल सही बन गया है DHCP का. Now we'll come to DNS configuration. This is already done. Yeah, this is done. Now we'll go to services. DNS. So first we have to switch on. Name, we can give any domain name. We can give our name, any other name, any name will work. Any sort of domain name. Example we will give.
this DNS server, click on DNS server.
Just a second, there is a slight delay.
And first switch on this DNS, and then here I'm writing on, suppose this is name corporate network. So just write it networks.com.
So we'll just give it the name of networks.com, and the address now you have to give, that is 192.
So here can't give DNS IP address. Here you need to give 198.192.168.200.4. Why 4?
Don't give DNS address.
Because this network.com will get in web server. HTTP is the web server.
So this networks.com will be in a web server. So therefore we'll have to give it the HTTP server.
We have created the HTTP server.
So we've created it using the HTTP server.
And DNS is only mapping. This network.com is mapped with 192.168.200.4.
The reason of adding 4 is since it's a website that will work on HTTP server. Then we can simply add it.
In that case, we need to add one more server here, one more extra server, HTTP server 2, and that address we need to give it. Now,
So once this is done, we'll close it.
HTTP go to the services.
And in HTTP,
Here, HTTP services is there somewhere.
we go to services,
One HTTP server.
HTTP.
Server. This is the HTTP server. Okay. After that, close it. DNS is over. Now come to the HTTP server.
DNS को भी सेव करना है।
Now we'll click on index.html पे हम edit पे क्लिक करेंगे, and then so we can make any sort of changes in the HTTP, this HTML code.
Or if you want any new HTML code, you can paste it. There is no problem. So you can make changes in this HTML code. So that you can visualize or you can check that what changes you have made is reflecting this same code or what I have wrote or what I have done. So make some changes in this code.
So we made the change in the code, and
So
we
here
just
suppose you like here in this welcome to the Cisco packet classes. In place of Cisco packet classes, suppose I am writing here the job.
after making the changes, we'll say save.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll say save. There is already a file with the same name. No.
And then
Yeah. Yes.
go to this web browser. Click on this web browser.
सो यहाँ गाइस हमने जो भी चेंजेस किए थे दैट वर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, यानी कि HTTP पे जाके जो भी index.html में भी किया था, इट ऑटोमेटिकली गेट्स सेव्ड इवन इफ द मैसेजेस पॉप्ड अप. सो विल गो टू द PC, विल गो टू द ब्राउज़र, टेक्स अ लिटिल टाइम. या सो विल टाइप इन networks.com एंड वी एंटर, एंड जो भी हमने चेंजेस किए थे वो हमें दिख रहे हैं. नाउ विल चेक इन द सिमुलेशन मोड. सिमुलेशन मोड में जाके वापस यहाँ जाएंगे, वापस विल कम हियर एंड अगेन विल टाइप इन networks.com, and when I click on it, we see there is a packet. तो जब मैंने ये क्लिक किया, सो दिस विल फर्स्ट गो ऑन टू द DNS सर्वर. तो पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट की, अब दूसरी गई, एंड देन फ्रॉम DNS इट विल फाइनली गो टू द HTTP server. This is just a simulation working the same way. See, अब HTTP server में वो आ गया, और वहाँ से रिक्वेस्ट लेके, रिस्पॉन्स लेके, फिर फाइनली गो बैक टू द PC. नाउ इफ यू क्लिक ऑन द मैसेज, देखो आपको दिख सके कि ऑल द 7 layers एंड इनपुट आउटपुट बाउंड में यू कैन फर्दर थी द सोर्स, द डेस्टिनेशन, उसका IP एड्रेस देखो जो हमारे उसमें से जा रहा था, दैट वाज द नेटवर्क का जो हमने वो दिया था टू द अदर वन जो पीसी का था।